All right, so to do this, you'll need to have you'll need to hit requirements. So one of which is you need to reach board 5 so that you can access the partner event feature on Monopoly Go. So once you've met these requirements, you can tap on any friend token on your board and a wheel will pop up. So like friends will be put like here on this area, here on this area, this in this area. So like your friends tokens will be placed there, and when you tap on any of them like that, but like she just jumped, as you can see here. If you tap on that, a wheel will pop out that you can spin. Now what you need to do is hit the option or prize that says partner in it, and you'll be able to send a partner that gift. So as you can see here, this is still a very new account, so we don't have that yet. But yeah, that's how you do it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.